Hi! In this video, we will export an SVG image to a PNG file. We have a site. There is an SVG image on that site. An SVG image with a big orange circle. And there is a link to download. This link has a download property with a file name. To download the image, we'll copy it from the SVG to the canvas element. Then we get the data URL from the canvas and set it to the link property. Let's get the SVG element by ID. Then we need to get the size of the element. The next step is to copy the SVG to an image. Let's create a new blob object from the SVG. Convert the blob object to the URL. Create a new image and set the source property. Now we need to wait till the content is loaded to image. Create a new canvas object. Copy image to the canvas with the drawImage method. Get the link to the canvas with toData URL. That's all. Let's check it out. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to our channel and you'll find more JS videos.